Guess we came across a problem, bro. Finished it a little too early. 30 minutes before 4. There you go. Time to upgrade this bad boy. Welcome back to the channel, guys, man. Just coming back from detailing, man. I'm excited. All the parts are coming in for the C7. We got a lot of parts coming in today. I saw them outside, and I just got back to the crib, man. We're gonna be unboxing everything. Probably headed to Summit to get a couple more things that I might have missed or that didn't come in the DoD delete package and everything like that. We're gonna go check on the C7 because I believe it is tore down now and everything's going on. There's a lot of work going on, and we're on crunch time to make it to tune time. So I'm gonna go head outside, unbox a lot of the parts that came in. Also, don't forget the giveaway is still going on. I just don't speak on it too much, but we're pushing 4.5K subscribers, just 4.5K. And I do have the Met Code 9.1 lower pulley for an LSA or CTSV owner if you guys want that. Or if you don't need that, I will come up with something else to give you guys for the winner of that. Just follow me on Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube channel, Heard the Nerd. Just go follow me on Instagram, give me a follow. I really appreciate that support, man. And I want to give a big shout out to Damian Williams, man. This guy has set a tab on his computer or something. He's watching every single video of mine and commenting on it. I appreciate that support, dude. I just want to give you a shout out and let you know that I do see that. And anybody else that's supporting the channel and messaging me on Instagram, I really appreciate that support. So without further ado, let's go check out the C7. Two parts are in. This is the second shipment box. I believe I have one more box that should be coming in, but I also made a stop at Summit Racing, so I wanted to just keep you guys updated on everything I'm trying to get for the build. So I did pick up two new rolls of heat wrap for the headers, the exhaust manifolds that I just picked up. I'm going to be placing some heat wrap on it. As you guys know, under the Corvette it is a tight fit under there, so I want to keep the heat down as much as possible. And I picked up a new set of NGK spark plugs, all 8. We're going to be changing out the spark plugs, of course. Anytime you want to do the cam and tuning and stuff, you do want to change the spark plugs. It's always best to put some fresh plugs in there, so got a full set of that. And I also went ahead and picked up new intake manifold gaskets, so I picked up all of those. I will be switching on those. All right, I'm not exactly sure what came in this shipment. It might be the springs, it might be the retainers. Here we go, guys. All right, we got the valve spring kit in. Nice. So we got the dual valve springs in for the Corvette. These are in. I believe these are the seals. Yes, sir, they are the seals. Right here, the new seals are in. We got everything we need. Oh, we got some Texas Speed stickers, of course. I always like these. And the keychain. This is a new one. I don't remember the old one looking like this, but I think it might have. Let's get these parts to Charlie and then try to check an update on the exhaust. As you guys know, I dropped the car off for the exhaust the other day, so we're gonna see how far he's gotten on that and then drop these parts off for the build. We got 2 more boxes just came in. In this box we have the BTR chrome moly push rods for the C7 Corvette, brand new in the box, just arrived today. Let's see, what size are they? That is the exact size of the chrome moly push rods right here, if you guys want to know. Brand new, just came in. And then we got the elote package right here, man. That corn. This is the DSX tuning flex fuel sensor for the C7 Corvette. It came in the other day. That should be everything that we're waiting on. I do have to make a stop and return the heat wrap for the headers. It was too small, so now I gotta go get some more. So I think that's it though. Otherwise, we got the DSX flex fuel sensor in, the BTR chrome moly push rods, valve springs came in. Everything is here, so I gotta head to Charlie's and drop this off. Just pulled up to the shop. There's the vet, about to get some upgrades. So what you think? It look good?
They look real good. They look like my push rods, man.
Yes, sir.
Real
Hopefully they're good. It better be good.
Oh, yeah. It is real thick, man. Usually for that LSA,
yeah,
locked in there. They were like this thick, throw out the way. They go all the way through.
So it should be good. And we got this Mustang here. The blue Ford from the last video, if you guys remember, he put the Mustang seats in that Ford. So this is your Mustang. What'd you put on here? Some long tubes. So, quad tips. Looks good now. Set up real nice. Oh, you got bullets too?
Yep, 2 bullets.
Got the bullets, long tubes.
Stainless steel.
Looks good. Almost same setup as me now too. Yeah. All right, so what's on here right now? What all did you get?
Right now we got the X5
The bullets.
straight off the back. And we got no tips right now.
No tips, but it's still the stock headers on here right now.
Stock
Yeah.
headers, stock cats.
But we got the exhaust system set on here.
Exhaust system. We deleted the secondary cat.
The secondary cats.
So basically any LT engine is going to
Sound like this.
with the stock cats and
Deleted.
X5 and the bullets, and then this muffler DD back here.
Okay. With the deleted secondaries.
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good. Sounds good. Sounds pretty good. You know, keep that deep tone. Yeah, the bullets keep that deep tone.
Yeah, now I got the tone to it.
Yeah, so especially when the long tubes get put on there and the cam is going.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's gonna scream.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So, and then those tits, man, the ones that you had before, the way that they customize them,
Yeah.
a lot of restrictions, bunch of restrictions. So before and then now, you should feel a whole lot different.
Yeah, so it'll be way better. I can't wait to
Now we're just waiting for the blue tips
to come in.
Man, they should be coming in tomorrow.
All right.
If they do come in, we'll put them on there. If they don't come in, I'll see what's going on, and we just go with the stainless.
It's stainless. Okay.
Yeah, because I feel like the blue tips will look real nice with this.
Yeah, with this
black
setup.
color.
Yeah, that'd be real nice.
A little bit more, you know, something a little different.
Yeah, it'll be nice, man. Sounds good though right now, but we still got a whole nother sound that's gonna come when the headers and everything get put on there for sure. There's Charlie bust his ass last night and knocked this shit out. So a lot of you guys were worried about the torque converter for the cam. So went ahead and dropped the whole, subframe for the rear, the trans out, everything last night. How late did you stay last night? Cause you sent me that video and I woke up this morning. I was like, damn.
I told you 4. I was like, I'm gonna hit it with this 4 a.m.
Yeah, cause golly, we got everything dropped out. A lot of you guys might not know, if you're not familiar with Corvettes, the transmission is actually in the rear of the car and the motor is in the front. Yep, torque tube, everything. So here's the new exhaust right here for you guys to see. We got the bullets right here, the new X pipe right here, and everything all set up. They got it all painted really nice and black. Looks real good. And it's still bolt on, easy to take off. You already got the valve covers off. Intake manifold. Intake manifold right here. So I'm gonna get these painted. As you guys know, I painted on the V and everything, so I'm gonna get the intake manifold painted, the valve covers painted. But he busted ass, man. Got everything dropped out. So, and then here's the torque converter. So I'll be taking this and getting this one stalled up, similar to like I did in the CTSV. Get this one stalled up to assist with the cam shaft and everything. So because I did go with the stage 3, and usually you want a stall, so I'm definitely gonna try to get this torque converter stalled up for that. Yeah, you did that, bro. Yeah, you did that, bro. He said he was feeling it last night. He fucking.
I got onto it, man. I never felt like that ever with my car.
Right. It's crazy. You didn't see no issues or anything with any of this? Nothing.
Clean.
Everything.
There's no oil leaks at all.
No
Nothing
oil
that I
leaks.
see wrong.
Yeah.
So I guess this car's never been touched before.
Yeah.
So I kind of just take off all the clips from the harness and everything, and then go back in it, you know. Everything specialized.
That's what's up. That's good to hear, though.
Yeah,
Make sure there's no issues or nothing. All the suspension looked good and everything.
Everything's fine. Yeah, everything's OEM and everything's gonna be OEM.
Okay, well that's good.
All that stuff.
Yeah, so that's really, really good. So now I just gotta take this valve covers, gotta get this situated and everything. But you did that, bro.
It does kind of pick up a little bit from the back.
Yeah.
Catch it. So when I brought everything down, it's not even.
It's
yeah. Right on the spot.
So since he took the transmission out, you guys know that's a big part of the weight of the vehicle, and it's on a lift. So he had to put a lot of stuff in here to keep it leveled out. But it's pretty leveled now with that trans out. So hopefully, when are you gonna start on the motor work and everything?
Yeah. already started a lot. I guess I can get your ladder so you can look at it.
Okay, well, that'll work. Sweet. All right, man, going up the ladder. All right, here it is. So we already got the valve covers off, intake manifolds, everything's closed off. Getting ready to take everything, the injectors and the heads and everything off, so get ready for the cam. Just want to keep you guys updated on this, man. Everything's going down pretty fast, man, because my tune date is set for next week, early next week, so I have to get everything done, so we're on a time frame and trying to get everything knocked out. So as far as everything up here, we got new water pump gaskets, everything's getting changed. I am going with the 160 thermo, so I will be changing out the thermostat to the 160, and the E85 flex fuel sensor will be mounted on here, DOD delete kit, so just keeping you guys updated. All right, guys, we are at Summit Racing now. We just left Charlie's shop with an update on the C7 Corvette. I do have to return the heat wrap that I ordered or picked up the last time I was here. We need bigger rolls. I got to get bigger rolls of this. We did find the serpentine belt tensioner needs to be replaced. That thing was pretty loose and worn out, so we have to replace that. Everything else is perfectly fine. I do have to get the 160 thermostat here, the valve cover gaskets, oil, coolant. So picking up basically all the additives that I need from Summit right now. I'm going ahead and go inside and pick that up. Woo! Get tired of wearing these damn masks. All right, guys, so we just came out of Summit and picked up a lot of parts. A lot of this stuff is for cooling, man. You want to keep the car cooler, and on Corvettes, the way the exhaust set up is very close to everything. Everything's pretty much a tight fit on the Corvette, so I did pick up a lot of things to keep the car cool, and I had to return that heat wrap, so I started off. I got 50-foot heat wrap rolls this time, the bigger ones, because you need 2 of these. As far as everything otherwise in the other bag, we got valve cover gaskets, because this did not come in the DOD delete kit, so we had to pick up some valve cover gaskets. We got a starter blanket to keep the starter from burning itself out, from getting too hot down there, because it is a tight fit and the starter is very close to the exhaust system. That should help with the additive of the heat wrap to keep temperatures down. We got the 160 thermostat. This thing is that's a weird looking thermostat, man. That thing is tiny, guys. I've never seen a thermostat look like this, but that's the thermostat for it. I mean, that's pretty cool. I'm so used to them being a little bit bigger, but that'll work. That's the 160 thermostat to keep temperatures down. Wicks oil filter, of course, because we got to change the oil with the cam and everything, so I still have to go buy the oil and the antifreeze. And last but not least, we have the new crank tensioner pulley. This was needed. I believe mine was going bad on the last one, so we got a brand new one, so we shouldn't have any issues there. So we pretty much got everything that we needed. I did drop off the torque converter to Jess at RPM Automotive. If you guys remember, he did the transmission on my CTSV. I'm getting my torque converter stalled up to help with the cam, as I stated when I was at Charlie's. So the torque converter is dropped off. A lot of the top motor parts are getting painted currently. I dropped those off to Raul. So this video is pretty much just, you know, ripping around, getting the parts, dropping everything off, prepping for tune day and everything like that. Can't put much action in it. It's just a lot of parts. I wanted to show you guys because in case of people might be building a LT motor or something like that, it doesn't have to be a vet. It could be the same motor setup. You might need everything that I'm buying right now, and you might want to go with a similar setup that I have currently. So stay tuned, man. First startup day should be here pretty soon. The cam, I believe the cam probably is already in right now. Everything needs to be tightened up. I'm waiting on the torque converter to come in, like I said. Don't forget, I'm still doing the giveaway at 4.5K. If you stay to the end of the video, 4.5K, let's push to subscribers, let's get them up. I will be giving a 9.1 lower pulley for CTSV or LSA motor, so it could be a ZL1. I have a 9.1 Metco lower pulley that I'll be giving to any of the subscribers if you follow me on Instagram. Or if you don't have that setup, probably another chemical guys detailing kit or something else. I'm coming up with something else for the people that may not need that. But the giveaway is still going on. I know I just don't speak about it too much. I don't want to just slam it on you guys every time, but just let's get the subscribers up, share the videos. I appreciate the support. Stay tuned. The vet is going to be chopping. It's going to be nasty. Like I said, this video is pretty much getting everything together, getting parts together, heading to Summit, back and forth, dropping off, you know, the torque converter. I'm just pretty much ripping and running around, getting everything situated. So hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate all the support, man. I've been seeing the comments of you guys saying that y'all staying and supporting the channel. I appreciate that. I appreciate y'all. So hit that like, subscribe button. I appreciate the support, man. Peace.